Afro Revolution. Yeah, that's what's happening right now, man. You know, we gotta work, gotta put in the work. Yeah, that's what's up, man. We're trying to build the Afro Revolution Dance Foundation project in Liberia. So to do this, we have to put in the work. That's what's happening. My work right now, I do everything, just so you guys know. I drive trucks. I'm also a truck mechanic. I am a dancer. I teach dance. I run a non-profit dance organization in Liberia and Canada. It's called Afro Revolution Dance Foundation. I do everything, man. I edit videos, I do pictures, I do talk shows, I do everything. And I drive loaders, I drive packers, I drive dump trucks, any kind of dump trucks. I drive both automatic and standard. I'm a class 1 driver. I've been lessing for over 7 years.
We're gonna go to the clay pile across the street.
On the left or right?
You turn around and come back towards the scale house. You're gonna go right across the street, directly across the street.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So the reason why I'm doing this video is because I want to let people know how I make my money, you know, where I spend my money, and how I use my money. It's a video to inspire people, right? If you really have passion for something, you really want to achieve it, you have to work hard for it. You cannot sit and think that the government want to help you. You have to work hard for it. I do a lot of stuff. There's so many things I do, you know. I work for the city of Edmonton, and I work from Monday to Friday. I work from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. I have a very busy schedule, but I still, that's how I make my money. You know, I'm a hustler. I work, I make legal money, and then I help to build the Afro Revolution Dance Foundation project.
Ahmed, I'm from Pakistan, and we are here today to see the people are doing.
I'm not getting paid from the government. I'm not getting sponsorship. I am my own sponsor. I sponsor myself because I want to see this organization established in Liberia and Africa. This is an international organization, you know. So
want to bless you, want to bless God for God touching your heart to come straight in the palm bush here. And the way you carrying it, that God open door for you. The contract man, I say that when you say, oh, people yesterday we call, we've seen any flower, and God will do it in Jesus' name.
Amen.
God bless you. Anything you fighting for my son, because I see your side, your child, work your breast, that God help you, that you will take some people from here to travel.
The casting right now, DJ Wabak, big drink to Arabi. Thanks to CEO DJ coming back to our entertainment, DJ Wabak.
I'm just asking everybody, join me, let's do this together. I don't need much, I just need your support. We work like six months in a year, and then we have like 6 months off. That's when I take that 6 months off to go to Liberia, West Africa, and to run the Afro Revolution project there, to build the foundation, to build the dormitory. I can stay in Canada and live my life and do what I want to do, but I think that Liberia needs this, you know, the country needs this, and the people in Liberia really need, because I've been there. I've been in Liberia, I saw the young ones, I saw the young people, and I decided to like volunteer my time and spend my money and invest in the country, help. That's the only way I can help. This is just a little preview. We're going to talk more. If you love this video, share it around with your friends, your family. Even if you don't love it, maybe somebody else may be inspired. It's me, Fizo D. Seaton, Afro Revolution, Canada, Liberia, all over the world, man. God bless.